Checking out this new garden shear. This one has a couple of features that I like. First, comes with a couple of springs, which is great. You know, the rebound spring comes with a second, so if that one wears out from overuse, that's a good sign that it comes with another spring too, because I'm guessing that means that the blade lasts a good long time. This one has a shape that makes it real easy to cut into branches, hooking onto the branches, and just the branch you want and not every branch on the tree. It has that rebound spring I mentioned so that it wants to stay open. Pretty ergonomic. These are metal handles with like a coating, a paint or something on them. You can get them in a couple of different colors, by the way. And then it has this spring hook that you can use for hanging, but it'll also close it for storage. Really nice, useful garden shears. Hope this helps.